My daughter built this bird box, obviously with the intention of luring in some birds. It was in a tree in the garden, and a swarm of bees found it before the birds did. So it's very small. It's about between 6 and 7 liters of space in there, as opposed to a brood box which is about 45 liters of space. So they're going to run out of room really quickly. So we are going to transfer them into a nuke box, a 5-frame nuke box, simply because going from such a small space into such a big space is going to be quite difficult for them to regulate that temperature for the brood. So this is the 5-frame nuke we're going to put them in. What we want to do is try and get the combs as they are in sequence there. Try and get them in the same sequence. Wedge this lid open gradually. Oh, you can see the combs. Okay, they've already sheared off. You can see that macadamia honey. We're in a macadamia plantation. Okay, so here's where the brood starts. So we want to try and pry this brood loose and get it out. What I'll actually do is get another hive tool and grab it out gently. Okay, you can actually see there's eggs here, young larvae here, and capped larvae over there. So let's just get that into the box. So after a few days, starting today already, the bees will bond these combs onto the top bar of your frames and then just expand them from there. You can see some nice capped brood. Just want to get as many of these bees into the nuke. So we can just brush these in just to avoid bees getting squashed. I'm pretty sure the queen is in. Okay, so just on the side of the box, there's a cluster and there's the queen. So we've got to make sure she goes in, otherwise we're going to lose the colony. So let's grab her quickly. Where is she? She's in. Yeah, there she is. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just strap that queen clip onto the center frame, and the bees will smell her shortly and join you there. And we'll leave the queen clip in for 2 days or so. Lots of bees joining her there already. And into the box. So the reason why we put her in the clip is just so that if she is so unhappy that she decides she's going to abscond, she wants to abscond immediately, she can't. And she has the night, day or two, just to calm down, realize that the experience wasn't as traumatic as she initially thought. So as you can see, it's really simple doing these removals, especially when they're small like that. These bees will smell her soon and find their way into the entrance. If you have a bird box with bees in it, if you like the idea of keeping bees, you can perhaps transfer them instead of calling or paying somebody else to remove them for you. You can hive them and start keeping them yourself. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Cheers.